Man, oh man, look at this thing. Does this look fabulous or what? This massive falling wedge. You got falling, forming here. This thing, this breakout. You get your top side here, your bottom side here. You take a measurement of the wedge, and that gives you your target. And we'll take a look at that right now. All right, take an info line from the top to the bottom. It's pretty straight, huh? Right about there. Pull it over here, and look at that. Looking at a 618702 on the measurement. That's up around $2 and what, 260, 270, right in that range. That's a big, especially if you're using leverage like we are over in Discord. That's massive gains. Right up to there. If you got in right here on the bounce off this support line, wow. On a 10x leverage, you're looking at 9x in your money. On a 20x leverage, you're 18x in your money. Up to the upper half is 110%. So on a 20x, you can turn 1,000 into $18,000. That's crazy, isn't it? I know it's hard to believe, but man, it happens. This is a daily chart. These are daily candles. This is probably your big 1-2 right here. If this third wave is starting, this is the 1-2 inside of this third wave. These bigger waves, like a third wave, you have 5 waves inside of those. Okay, and there's 5 waves inside of this first wave here. There's an ABC right there. Then you start your 5 waves inside, but this will all be a wave 3 coming up here. How high is it going to come? Well, we'll wait and see. The first targets here, $1.63 to $1.75 is the first area, and that's up to 1618. The 1618 is $1.76. Sometimes they don't make it the whole way to the whole 1618. Okay, but we're going to come right back here and look at these RSIs and see how fast this thing could be doing this. The crypto bubbles looking pretty decent. Look at that, pow, looking pretty good. Where is Fetch on right here, 6.4%. 204.4 million in volume over the last 24 hours, $3.43 billion market cap, ranked number 24, up 6.5% for the day, 6.4% to be exact. Trump's new crypto coming out. How about this? New details of the Trump family crypto project released, including who can buy in. This was last night from his Mar-a-Lago estate. I think that's how you say it. He announced all these details. The team behind World Liberty Financial, the Trump family's new crypto project, and have unveiled a key detail. Who can buy the forthcoming tokens it plans to release and how shares will be allotted. 20% of the project's tokens will be allotted to the founding team. 20%. So that leaves another 80%. I'm sure. Let's see here. I apologize. These damn pop-ups drive me crazy. At 17% of the tokens will be set aside for user rewards. All right, there's 37%, and the remaining 63% of the coins will be available to the public for purchase. For over a month, Republican former President Trump and his family have been pumping up the secretive digital currency platform, promising that it will do many things at once. Now, more than 2 hours into Republican former President Donald Trump's World Liberty Financial launch event on X Monday night, the team behind the Trump's new project unveiled a key detail: who can buy in. For over a month, the president and his family have been pumping up this crypto. Lofty goals set by those involved in the project on Monday night's X space suggest that WLF will be a sort of crypto banking platform, a DeFi platform, where the general public will be encouraged to borrow, lend, and invest in crypto. Definitely DeFi. There will also be an accompanying token called Wlfi. The founders said Monday the equity structure for these tokens, we just went over that. There will be no pre-sales or early buy-ins, Folkman added. An earlier leaked draft of an internal project outlined had the founders share at 70%. That would be ludicrous. That's a rug pull there. If that was true, and only allowing 30% to the community, if a token is holding 70%, or the founders, that's absolutely ludicrous, sparking concerns that the project would be little more than a get-rich-quick scheme. The token will be a regular D token offering, which follows the Securities and Exchange Commission's Regulation D, a provision provision that makes it possible for a company to raise capital without first registering their securities with the commission, so long as certain conditions are met. You can go down over this and read it if you want. I wonder when they're going to launch this. 5th and 6th holes of the course. That was the Monday night's live stream. You can freeze this and read it if you would like. I just wanted to see if they possibly would put a date on here when they're going to release this. I'd like to know that. If anybody knows, please put it in the comments if we don't see it here. Or Liberty Financial. Wow, it's a pretty big article, ain't it? Maybe it was just info on it. No, maybe no launch date yet. Especially if the launch doesn't go as planned. Trump's reign to crypto himself could jeopardize his report the sector more broadly, especially if the launch doesn't go as planned. Founders offered scant details on Monday about any future timelines for the project, saying only that new info will be shared on the official social media channels and warning fans not to fall for scams. Yeah, no, if you're interested in this, don't fall for any of that other crap. Make sure it's from their site. But I'm sure it's going to be crazy when it launches. I myself, I'm definitely going to check into that. All right, now, if we zoom in here on Fetch on a daily chart, man, this thing looks beautiful. Really does. It looks ready to go. It might blast right up through this area here. On the daily, the RSI is starting to turn back up. You can see it starting to curve here. It's going to head back to the upside. All right, the 3-day. Let's see, the 3-day is bullish. Your 5-day. Let's take a look here. And I'll bet you the weekly looks incredible. The 5 days heading up. The weekly looks great, and your monthly. And the monthly is starting to curve back to the upside. No bearish divergence on that monthly. Got this low and a high, or this high and higher high. Looks fine, and look at that. We got that monthly curving back up here. Yeah, Fetch is ready for a big run. If I was looking to get in on this, I would go into smaller time frames. Right when it bounced off that support would have been a perfect time to get in on this thing. Right here was an A, B, C, and now it's starting up here. It looks like a, let's see, looks like a 1, 2, yeah. 1, 2, this is the third wave starting here. If you were looking to get in, not financial advice, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Wait till this fourth wave starts to pull back, and usually to a 382 off of your wave 2. So it'd be up down here, put your fib up here. If you want to learn this stuff, guys, sign up for that level 3 membership. We got over 200 people in there. It's only $15, and you can get in our Discord with us and start trading. We've been in Fetch for a while now, as soon as this thing broke over there. So it's only $15. You get a bunch of videos to watch and a link to the Discord to trade with us here. If this stops here, okay, you'd be looking roughly a 382, maybe a 50% pullback. And that's where I would be jumping in, ride the 5th wave up, get out. If say it stops here, a 5th wave target, if say it pulls back to that 382, 5th wave target would be at $1.40 roughly. It could pull deeper than that, could pull, but then you're gonna this would be the 4th wave back, then a 5th wave up. All right, and then ABC, and then you'd be starting back up again. All right, so I'm going to keep an eye on that for sure for people over in Discord in case people are looking to get in here. But you got some big moves coming with this thing, man. This thing is getting ready to go. You had a double top right here, M formation, right here in M. You see that M pattern? Double top, boom, then we're bearish, okay? You had a double top, and it rolled over, came down here, looks like 5 waves down, and bounced off support right here and started its way back up. Yeah, Fetch looks absolutely fantastic, guys. We will be charting this as it heads up. Looking great. Thing is looking absolutely beautiful. Bounced off support, and look at that daily candle. Looks fantastic. Overall, yeah, like I said, 1, 2, 3rd wave starting here on this bigger move, but I showed you inside there. That's another set of waves in here, okay? You have waves inside of waves. You guys that watch this channel know that. So keep your eye on Fetch. Looking fantastic. Have a great day, guys.